Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken chintamani. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for the recipe. We need to crush and reserve garlic, ginger garlic paste. This is boneless chicken thigh and breast meat which is chopped into cubes, washed it thoroughly, drained and I've reserved. We would also require fennel seeds, chili powder, turmeric powder and pepper powder, finely chopped onion, dried red chilies and curry leaves. Now let's get started. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I'll be adding oil. Preferably use sesame oil. Once the oil heats up, I've added fennel seeds. We'll allow the fennel seeds to splutter. Now I've added crushed garlic, we'll fry the garlic till it turns light golden in color. Now I'll add curry leaves, dried red chilies which is broken in half. We'll allow the curry leaves and the dry red chilies to fry for a minute. Next we'll add the finely chopped onion. Reserve some curry leaves for later. We'll fry the onion till it turns transparent. I've prepared a similar recipe earlier on my blog and for YouTube. It's called as chicken uppu curry. I'll also link the same sort of a recipe in the description box below this video or in the iCard above this video. Here I've added turmeric powder, chili powder and ginger garlic paste. We have also added pepper powder and we'll start frying the onion. The raw flavor from the powdered spices should reduce. Now I've added the chicken. We'll stir the chicken well in the masala and fry it for 2 minutes. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a detailed recipe. Once I've fried the chicken for 2 minutes, I've added salt as per taste. We'll fry the chicken for another minute. Now I'll add lukewarm water. We'll stir the chicken well and cover it and cook it till it's nice and tender. Once the chicken has cooked, place it on medium flame and constantly keep stirring this and cook this for another 10 more minutes till the gravy forms. Here you can see the chicken has cooked well and the dry gravy has formed. At this point you can garnish the chicken with some curry leaves, pepper powder. Stir the chicken and fry it for another few more seconds. Chicken chintamani is ready, friends. We can remove it from the flame and serve it hot. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Do post your comments and try this recipe out. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.